Welcome back to our series on cleaning ceiling fans. In this second video from this two-part series, you will discover 2 simple methods for cleaning your ceiling fan of all its dust in no time. We'll also cover the materials and tools you'll need, potential hazards to be aware of, and protective gear to use for added safety. With these tips and tricks, you'll have your ceiling fan sparkling like new in no time. In a previous video, we discussed the importance of regularly cleaning your ceiling fans in your home. It's important to keep your ceiling fan clean, not just for improved air quality in your home, but also to save on energy costs. In our last video, I showed you the best methods for a thorough clean that will help maintain your fan's efficiency. If you haven't seen the first video, don't worry. To make sure you get all the information, finish watching this video and then check out the first video by clicking the link. Continuing where we left off, if you're short on time but still want to give your fan a good shine, cleaning a ceiling fan can be done quickly and easily using either of the following methods. Before cleaning, start first by turning the fan off. For this first method, all you need is an old towel, some water, and a ladder to safely reach the blades. Dampen a towel with soapy water and begin wiping away all the dust from the fan blades. Once finished, switch the fan on for about 5 minutes so any excess moisture evaporates quickly. For the second method, take your vacuum cleaner and connect the brush attachment. Turn on the vacuum and run it along the blades of your ceiling fan and motor housing. This will also help remove any loose dirt or dust that has accumulated. With these quick tricks, you'll have a fresher, spick and span ceiling fan in no time. Don't have time to watch? No worries. Get the complete cleaning checklist for both methods of keeping your ceiling fans shining by clicking above. This video provides a quick rundown on how to get your ceiling fan sparkling in no time. If you're loving what you see here, let us know. Give this video a like and show your support. Cleaning your ceiling fans doesn't have to be hard. All you need is the right materials and tools, and you'll be able to make the job much easier. You will need a few cleaning supplies, such as warm water, dish soap, which you'll mix to make a soapy water, a microfiber cloth or old towel. Optional would be a drop cloth for the floor beneath, and an extension pole or step ladder to reach the blades of your fan. Of course, you'll also need to turn the fan off before cleaning. Make sure your cleaning solution isn't too soapy, or else it might attract dirt and dust in the future. Once you have everything you need, cleaning your ceiling fan should only take a few minutes. With regular maintenance and cleaning, your fan will work like new for years to come. Cleaning your ceiling fans can have some amazing benefits that you may not have thought of before. Did you know that not only can it improve the overall look and feel of your home, but it can also benefit your mental health? Check out this video to learn more about what cleaning your ceiling fans can do for you. It can be daunting to clean overhead fans, but the process is fairly straightforward. Before getting started, it's important to follow certain safety precautions. Make sure to always switch off its power source at the main circuit or unplug the fan before cleaning. There can still be electricity in the fan even after it's been turned off. It's important to clean safely. That means do not stand on furniture or other objects. Use a secure ladder, step stool, or other proper equipment to help reach those hard to clean places. Put on protective eyewear such as safety goggles when cleaning the fan blades for protection from dust and debris that may become airborne during the cleaning process. Unscrew any light bulbs and store them in a safe, cool, dry place. When reattaching any screws or light fixtures that were manually removed during cleaning, make sure they're tightened securely before turning power on again to prevent accidents such as broken glass or electrical shocks from occurring due to loose components. Lastly, be sure to use a microfiber cloth or duster specifically made for cleaning fans. An old towel can work as well. Following these important steps before cleaning your ceiling fan is essential to ensure a safe experience. Turn off the power, remove any light bulbs, and use an insulated screwdriver to unscrew any necessary parts. Additionally, secure a ladder, step stool, or other appropriate equipment to ensure safety throughout the process. Store the bulbs in a cool, dry place while you clean the fan for best results. Are you aware that cleaning your ceiling fan can help with respiratory and health challenges? Look no further than this video for additional information on the subject. Learn how it can benefit your overall health and well-being. We hope you're enjoying this video. Show your support by clicking the like button. Cleaning ceiling fans can be hazardous if not done with proper safety precautions. Not only may you be exposed to potentially harmful dust or debris, which can cause allergies and even respiratory problems, but there is also the potential risk of electrical shock when cleaning. Therefore, it's important to take the necessary safety precautions to protect yourself against these risks. Ensuring that the fan is thoroughly off is important when cleaning to avoid getting hit with spinning blades. When cleaning your ceiling fan, it is important to disconnect the power before beginning. This is for your safety, as using water in combination with electricity can lead to electrical shocks. Additionally, ladders should always be used in order to reach fans safely and prevent a fall from heights. Take extra precaution, make sure it is securely placed and that someone is around to supervise and spot you. Take these necessary precautions while cleaning ceiling fans, reduces any potential hazards involved in the task, and keeps you safe. Have you ever wondered how often you should clean your ceiling fan? Check out this video to find out. When cleaning ceiling fans, it's essential to take certain safety measures, such as wearing protective gear. Goggles can help protect your eyes from dust or other particles. Wearing a face mask will also ensure that cleaning the fan won't irritate your lungs from any allergens in the air. Additionally, make sure to wear long pants and long sleeves, as well as closed-toed shoes like sneakers or heavy boots. This will reduce the risk of injury from debris that may fall from the fan blades or the motor housing. Again, don't forget to turn off the power to the fan before cleaning to prevent electric shock. By following these tips, cleaning your ceiling fan can be done safely and efficiently. If you're also looking to reduce on repairs and electricity, don't forget to check out this video to show you how regular cleaning of your ceiling fans can help you do just that. Don't forget to share your thoughts in the comments below. We'd love to hear what you think. Now that you have all the information and tools you'll need, it's time to put your secret trick into action. Cleaning overhead ceiling fans doesn't have to be a daunting task. Just follow these simple steps and safety precautions, and you'll have clean fans in no time. In conclusion, cleaning ceiling fans is an easy and rewarding task. With the right materials and tools, as well as safety precautions, you can ensure that your fan stays in good condition for years to come. Regularly maintaining your ceiling fan can save you time and money and effort in the long run. And by following these tips, you'll soon have a sparkling, dust-free fan in no time. So start cleaning today and enjoy the fresh air that comes with having a clean ceiling fan. If you found this information helpful and want to stay up to date on the latest cleaning tips, comment, like, and subscribe to Beyond Thresholds for more useful content. Thanks for watching.